Hi guys, I'm back with another mani. So I have on one coat of UNT Peel-Off Base Coat on top of my builder gel, and I am going to go in and apply a thin coat of Canni's gel base coat and cure it in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And so I do have on builder gel. I've reapplied it back to my left hand in hopes to grow my nails out just a little bit longer. Without builder gel, they just won't grow. I have thin nails. Always have had thin nails. So again, thin coat, and then I'm going to cure my LED lamp. And Canni is a gel polish company that I did find on Amazon. I think they are owned by Lisa, I think their polishes are also HEMA free. This is a single color mani, and so I found this red gel polish with black specks in it on Amazon, and I was like, oh, I gotta have that. But look how nicely pigmented that is. Those particles are distributed nice and evenly throughout that polish. I think this color is good for anything. You could do it for Valentine's Day. Here I'm doing kind of gives me Spider-Man vibes once I finish this set. But and you can see that brush was loaded, so I was able to just kind of go down the one side of each nail with that brush before placing it back in the bottle. And I'm not used to polishing my nails this short, so I was like, oh gosh, please don't overload, get polish all on your skin. But if you do, you can use a nail brush and alcohol to clean that up before curing. I don't show all nails on camera. Again, this is a single color mani, but I absolutely love that color. I have a Get Maniology subscription box, and there's that one with pets on it. Now, I'm not a pet person, not animal person, but I think that would look good, like if you did kind of like a Dalmatian set, or maybe I think on that plate there's an image of a dog collar or whatever. That would look good. Maybe pop it off with some white or something like that. But anyway, I digress. And so once I get the nails cured from that first coat, you can see nice color. I'm going in to apply a second thin coat of color to the nails, and I do like those brushes on those bottles. They are round and they just polish well for me. Again, I'm a DIYer, so I don't know, I'm not a nail professional, but you know, whatever works. But I do like the way those polishes apply, really smooth, and no issues whatsoever. So again, after I get that second coat, I cure in the lamp, and then I do off camera apply a layer of gel base coat because I am going to go in with some nail stickers. So after I get that cured, the base coat, I am going in with an alcohol prep pad and removing just that sticky layer off the nail. If you don't and you do nail stickers, it's going to they're going to slide around on the nail. And I was surprised because I used gel base coat on top there, but it was still that red pigmentation on the alcohol wipe. So I guess that kind of seeped through the base coat. I guess I don't know. I did cure for 60 seconds. And so initially I was going in to use this little drip sticker, but you know, drips look better on longer nails, or I could have tried to hand draw a drip, but it was a no for me because I can't draw. And so I was just trying to figure out where it would fit on the nail and cover the cuticle area. So I press that down on the nail, and it just didn't cover the entire cuticle area. So I tried my index finger. That didn't work either. And then I was able to get it on the pinky, but it took up too much of the nail. It was doing team too much. So I end up taking that off and not using these stickers whatsoever. So I applied the drip, and I used the silicone end of the nail tool to press that down. And then there's like, I don't know what that is. It's like the little scream character or something like that. And I put that on my ring finger, and I didn't like it. I was like, I don't like it. It's too big. Maybe if the nails were a little bit longer, just a tiny bit longer, it would look better. So I end up taking both of those off. And then I had some like silver and black nail stickers I think I got from Temu or Shein, one of those. They pull right off the nail, and I end up applying those to the nail, and I end up even cutting part of that off that was hanging over the free edge, and I just did not like it. It wasn't giving what I wanted it to give. And so ultimately, when I finished the set, it gave me Spider-Man vibes because the stickers kind of blended in well with the nail, I will say that. So it was just kind of like really subtle. I could have left this a single color mani and just did a short and kept it moving, but I didn't. And so I'm just applying a sticker to every nail. I don't show all nails on camera, but I do end up applying a sticker on every nail. Once I get all of the stickers pressed down, smoothed out, I'm going in with Canni's No Wipe top coat. I do like that brush again, and I'm applying a thin layer to the nails, ensuring to cap the free edge, and then I'm going to cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. colors. The finished look really cute shorties here, year-round colors for me. And so I just apply some cuticle oil and massage that in. So please like this video, leave a comment, and let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel, still free 99. So I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.